about cardiovascular illnesses, we're talking about obesity. So we have a flooding of these very, very peculiar illnesses, and much of which are linked to unhealthy diets. But what we are not interrogating is how has it, come to be that people are consuming these diets so much that it is now making us fall sick. And so this is what this report sets out to do.
And the focus of this report is the 2025 Christmas and 2026 New Year celebration. Period marketing, such as have been observed, actively reshape food norms at a time when consumption is already elevated, reinforcing dietary patterns that contribute to Nigeria's growing burden of non-communicable diseases. Each season reinforces harmful consumption patterns and deepening future health costs. This is why today's discussion is about whether Nigeria's food environment is covered in the public interest or left to commercial priorities that externalizes harms. So based on the findings of this report, we are making the following recommendation. First, Nigeria must introduce comprehensive and legally binding restriction on advertising, promotion, and sponsorship of unhealthy products and beverage products, particularly during festive period. Industry self-regulation has failed. They are functional largely as public relations tools rather than meaningful safeguards. Advertising restrictions should cover digital platforms, outdoor advertising, broadcast media, point of sale, in-store promotion, and of course digital media. This must include a ban on influencer marketing, celebrity endorsement, and agronomically targeted advertising for unhealthy products, especially where children and young people are likely to be exposed. Second, branded corporate social responsibilities by food and beverage in schools, religious institution markets, and other public or community spaces should be prohibited.
Because NASDAQ have in their press release stated during the ban on alcohol that kids are being targeted by the big food corporations. And we totally are recommending and aligning with NAFDAC that marketing to kids and regulations, if such are being foreseen, we support such regulations. There should be a regulation around brandings in religious spaces that's prohibiting ultra-processed foods and sugar-sweetened beverages in those spaces. Lastly, since we are seeing an emergence in AI-driven adverts, there should also be a prospective need for regulations around AI-generated content that tend to promote excessive consumption of ultra-processed foods in Nigeria.